Hi everyone, this video is specially for students who are confused about one big decision: should I do an MBA abroad or is there a better option for me? Let me be very honest with you. MBA is a great degree, but MBA is not meant for everyone. Every week I meet students who say, "Ma'am, everyone around me is doing MBA, so I should also do MBA." But nobody stops and asks the most important question: what career do you actually want? Sometimes choosing MBA without clarity can cost you a lot of money, waste precious time, and leave you more confused than before. In this video, I am going to share the top 5 master's programs abroad apart from MBA, programs that are more specialized, more affordable, and in many cases gives faster and better career growth. Okay, before we talk about courses, let me give you a very simple way to choose the right one. First, look at your background, what you studied, and what skills you already have. Second, be clear about your career goal, job role, industry, long-term growth. Third, understand your budget and how quickly you want a return on investment. Once these three are clear, the right course becomes very obvious. Now, let me share the 5 smartest alternatives to MBA. The first one is Masters in Management, popularly known as MIM. This program is designed specially for fresh graduates and students with up to 2 years of work experience. Many students do MBA too early when they don't yet have the experience that MBA program requires. MIM gives you a strong management fundamentals, excellent campus placements, and yes, it is much more affordable than MBA. It is extremely popular in countries like Europe, Germany, France, and the UK. If you are a fresher who wants to enter the management world without waiting for years, MIM is one of the best choices. The second option is MSc Finance. This is perfect for students from commerce, BBA, economics, or CFA backgrounds. MBA in finance is broad, but MSc in finance is deep and technical. You learn valuation, risk management, investments, and financial modeling in detail. Graduates work in investment banking, corporate finance, consulting, and fintech roles. If finance is your long-term career, this degree often gives stronger technical credibility than an MBA. The third option is MSc Business Analytics or Data Analytics. Today, companies are not only looking for managers, they are looking for professionals who can take smart decisions using data. This program is ideal for engineers, commerce students, and anyone with an interest in numbers and strategy. You learn data analysis, business intelligence, and predictive modeling. This is one of the highest return on investment degrees today, with excellent job demand across the US, Canada, Ireland, and Europe. The fourth option is MSc Artificial Intelligence or Data Science. This is very powerful for engineering and technical students. These programs combine advanced technology with real business applications. Graduates work in AI development, machine learning, product analytics, and tech consulting. Countries like Germany, the Netherlands, and the US offer excellent career pathways in this field. In many cases, these technical master's programs leads to higher salaries and faster growth than traditional MBA roles. The fifth option is MSc Digital Marketing. This is ideal for students who love branding, content, strategy, and creativity. It is a skill-based program where your portfolio and practical experience matter more than theory. Graduates work in brand management, performance marketing, growth strategy, and product marketing. Countries like the UK, Ireland, and Australia are very strong for this field. So, if you love marketing but don't enjoy finance or accounting heavy programs, this is a fantastic option for you. Now, let me quickly explain the difference between MBA and the specialized master's program. MBA programs are expensive, usually requires a work experience of 2 to 4 to 5 years, and they give a broad overview of management. The return on investment comes slowly. If I talk about the specialized master's program, they are more affordable. They allow freshers, to be, to do this program. They focus deeply on one skill and often lead to faster job opportunities. MBA is a powerful degree, but only when done at the right time, with the right profile, from the right college. Every student does not need an MBA. Every student needs clarity. If you are confused about courses, countries, eligibility, or exams, personalized guidance can save you years and lakhs of rupees. If you want a free profile evaluation and personalized guidance, you can find the link in the description or leave your background in the comments. Remember one thing, MBA is just one road. Your career has many beautiful roads. Choose the degrees that fits your story, not the crowd. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.